so I just wanted to show you my Target haul. So first, I got the Magic Bullet. It was on sale for $20, maybe $29, I don't remember, but I think I saved $20. And then I got this journal. I got it mostly because it has a cute little strawberry design. And then I thought it was interesting because it's lined and then it also has like blank space on the top and the date, so I kind of like that. Then I got a thank you card from my friend Myra because she got me a thoughtful present, so I just wanted to send her a thank you note. I also got Terry's chocolate orange, and I haven't had this. It's kind of nostalgic for me. Like, I haven't had this in a while. And I remember talking to my boyfriend's dad about it and he never heard of it, so I'm gonna send him a picture. So I got that. Then I'm running out of my wooden wick candle, so I got Rainwater Lily. Then I got a candle for my desk called Christmas Cheer. And then here are the things I originally came for, which was some travel deodorant because I'm going on a trip. I'm gonna surprise my family on Thanksgiving. I wasn't supposed to come home, but then I found out the class was canceled, or we don't have class on Wednesday. So now I can fly home really fast, have Thanksgiving dinner with my family, and come back to New York on Saturday. So I'm really excited. And also I'm filming on my new camcorder, so the footage is gonna be a little different this time. I think I might start a little series about videos that I make with my camcorder. So here's video 1, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Got my matcha. It is currently 5:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to California to surprise my family for Thanksgiving, and I'm so excited. My boyfriend's gonna pick me up and I'm proud of myself for getting up early, and I've done everything. I made my bed, showered, got some breakfast, bacon, egg, cheese, and a roll, and I made some matcha. Here's the spot. So I'm ready to dig into my breakfast, and I'll see you guys a little bit later at the airport. Operation Surprise My Family is now in full effect. Right now my boyfriend's getting gas and I'm sitting in the back seat so they can't see me when the car pulls up. And then he's gonna I brought flowers for my grandma, so he's going to bring the flowers to the front door and say, oh, I have a surprise for you. And then Gerald's gonna say, Dad, someone at the door for you. And then it's gonna be moi. So I'm really excited, and hopefully they're surprised.
Hi there.
Dad, there's someone at the door for you.
Surprise! Hi, Daddy.
What's going on like this?
I guess lips. Trisha has agreed. Trisha has agreed.
Yeah, obviously.
We're just gonna draw one.
Just draw one.
Oh, Say cheese. Surprise!
Oh my goodness, my love.
I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful we're together, all of us. And I'm thankful for my grandkids, my great-grandkids, my kids. And I'm thankful that we're able to be here. And
Love you,
it was
Grandma.
a surprise having Anthony and then Janine to pop in. I
Love you,
must go,
Grandma.
"Oh, goodness, what? Love you too, sweetheart."